Hello and welcome to today's class. Can you guess what we are going to learn today? In today's class, we are going to discuss all about computer software. Do you know what computer softwares are? A computer software is a collection of computer instructions that tells the computer what to do and how to do it. In our previous classes, we looked at the computer hardware. There are differences between a computer hardware and software. The most important one to take note is that hardware are usually parts of the computer which can be connected to the computer physically, while software are usually executed as processes in the computer. There are so many programs running as software in the computer. Now, placing them in categories makes it easy to identify them. Below, we have 4 types of computer software. We have system software, programming language software, application software, and utility software. In this class, we are going to take a look at application software and the system software. Please pay attention. Let's take a look at application software. What is an application software? An application software is a kind of software that is designed to meet a specific task. An application software is designed to perform a specific task. People use application software according to their needs. Now let's take a look at some examples of application software. We have the Microsoft Word. This is designed to allow users create and edit text documents. A Microsoft Excel. This is a spreadsheet that is used to calculate. A Microsoft PowerPoint. This is designed to allow users design slides for presentations. This also is an example of an application software. This is a game. This is called the Temple Run. So we have games as examples of application software. This also is a game which is also an example of application software. This is Candy Crush. Other examples of application software includes Microsoft Access, Microsoft Paint, Microsoft Notepad, CorelDRAW, Opera Mini, Mozilla Firefox, Photoshop, Zoomer. All these are examples of application software. Now remember, application software is a kind of software that is designed to perform a specific task. Now let's take a look at the system software. The system software is a set of programs that help to control and manage the operations of a computer hardware. The system software is required to run the hardware parts of the computer and other application software. All other computer programs rely on the system software for their services to be effectively accessed by the user. This means that the computer will not work without the software. Now let's take a look at the examples of system software. One of the examples of system software is the operating system. which is the most important component, of the system software. And it is stored in the hard disk drive of the computer. The computer can only be ready for use if the operating system is booted from that drive. Other examples of system software includes the utility programs. And we also have the device drivers. These are examples of the system software. Now, if we do not have system software installed in our computers, we would have to type the instructions for everything we want the computer to do, which will be far impossible for many of us, meaning that people cannot use the computer with a system software. Now, this brings us to the end of today's class. Make sure to attempt your interactive quiz and also to do your assignments and submit properly. Now, until next class, we will discuss the other examples of the computer.